Where's the baby?
I know.
What's in the box? Henry, can you say thank you? Henry, can you say thank you? Box.
Hot.
It's cold, not hot.
Yeah, it's cold, isn't it?
Can you say Grandma Pam?
Slide.
Is that your slide? Can you say thank you, Grandma Pam and Grandpa Gene?
What's that? Slide.
You're gonna climb on the slide?